So I got this head for Christmas one year. And I think it's a Tobey Maguire head. At least I think so. So I needed a body for it. So I bought this body, and it was actually $19.99. Here's the UPC code if that helps any. It came with 3 sets of hands. Some trigger finger hands, some fist hands, and then the relaxed hands. There was also several neck configurations for different head sculpts. And since this was a Hot Toys type body, I used the peg joint. Also these thigh bulker things, I don't know, they're really weird. But I guess you want to bulk up the thighs. Don't ask me, it's strange. His feet are also articulated on the toes. And these are the ball joint feet, so they have a tendency to fall out easy if you're not careful. I found some good, cool gear for him in this rifle. I think it's 21st Century Toys. And he really looks cool with this rifle. His hands have a different type of wrist peg instead of one that locks into place. It's this odd configuration. Then this peg part actually fits in the hands. The most World Box and Hot Toys compatible. He holds G.I. Joe guns really well. This gun really fits in his hands nice and tight. And his trigger finger actually fits on the trigger. This body seems to be pretty cool. I really liked it. And it was nice to have another action figure to add to my adventure team. I also found a cool knife for him to use, this K-bar. I thought it looked pretty cool in his loadout. I stored this guy away in a small box, and it fell from 3 feet and broke. Yes, broke at the hip joint. Really made me mad. Fortunately, I was able to find another body to put him on. This is a BBI. The colors don't quite match. BBI body, I think it's one of those mass market bodies, or one of the first generation. The colors don't quite match, but I think it'll be sufficient enough. The head, I had to remove the small rubber insert to get the neck joint to fit right. But doing so, it gave him some more neck articulation, which I'm pretty excited about. His neck has quite a bit of range to it now, which I think is pretty cool. The downside is his hands. They don't quite match, and they don't quite fit in here. I might have to maybe glue the peg in. Still trying to decide if I want to do that or not. But I'm glad I was able to find a body to swap him to, so I wouldn't be out a figure. It really upsets me that that body broke so easily when it just fell from 3 feet, or less than 3 feet. It's kind of ridiculous. My impression on this cheaper action figure bodies is I wouldn't go for it. Look for ones that are maybe better. The Power Team heads actually fit on these old BBI bodies. The neck peg hole fits the same as the Power Team heads. Or the Power Team heads fit onto these old BBI bodies. So if you wanted to swap your Power Team bodies out, you can do that. I'm kind of wondering if I could swap his head to a Power Team body, which I might do in the future. Who knows? I really like this head sculpt. I'm pretty impressed with it. It looks really nice. I'm glad to have a new member of my adventure team. I even created a separate team for him to lead. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like this video, share it with your friends. It really helps the channel out. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next video.